Oriental fragrances are made of anything that's warm, sensual, and opulent. Exotic and mysterious, they are designed for the charismatic and confident men who thirst for adventure. Just like this fragrance composition we are about to delve into. Starting with the main orchid, with an aroma that resembles the smell of beautiful violets, this orchid adds a rich, alluring, floral spicy scent to the fragrance. Gentle, soothing, and aromatic, these are what our orchid scents imbue. They are therapeutically beneficial to both mind and body, providing a sense of calm and serenity. Shall we find out more about the medicinal values of these flowers? Cymbidium species have been cultivated as houseplants in the Far East for more than 2,000 years. There are also researches that show that these flowers contain an interesting group of compounds that could prevent human immunodeficiency viruses. As for this particular Cymbidium orchid, the roots are used as herbs to treat weak lungs, coughs, bronchitis, and body ache. Next, we have this orchid. The leaves contain anti-inflammatory effects and aid in relieving pain. In Indian traditional medicine, the juice extracted from the plant is mixed with water and ginger to induce vomiting and diarrhea, cure chronic illness, dizziness, and strengthen the eyes. Amazing flowers these orchids are, aren't they? Moving on. Oriental 7 is enveloped with the additional scents of rose petals, frankincense, myrrh, cashmere woods, and sandalwood, harmonizing beautifully with the soothing orchid scents. Myrrh and frankincense go far back in history. They are famously two of the three gifts the three kings gifted to baby Jesus. Cousins to each other, these two ingredients are frequently paired together in perfumery. Both carry warm, balsamic, aromatic, sweet notes and nuances of spice, with frankincense being just a tad bit fresher and somewhat fruitier. Together, both ingredients complement each other beautifully, adding an amazing depth and richness to the fragrance while increasing longevity. Another interesting scent component in Oriental 7 is cashmere woods, a popular synthetic ingredient in contemporary fragrances also known as cashmeran. The scent of cashmere woods is extremely complex, with prominent woody, musky notes. It also carries nuances of spice and vanilla, as well as distinct coniferous notes. Reminiscent of the season of autumn with its earthy, rustic scent accentuating the coziness and comfort of the season, it evokes thoughts of snuggling in a soft, cuddly blanket of wooded bliss. A passionate and enchanting fragrance, Oriental 7 has heavy, woody nuances that impresses on us an enveloping warmth that emphasize the fragrance's sensuality, finishing off with soft undertones of spicy muskiness.